The brittle star is a fascinating marine creature closely related to sea stars, with long, thin, flexible arms that radiate from a central disk. Found on the ocean floor around the world, brittle stars move gracefully by moving their arms, unlike the tube feet of true starfish. They come in a variety of colors and can regenerate lost limbs when attacked by predators. Brittle stars feed by cleaning up debris or catching plankton with their arms. Although delicate, they play an important role in the marine ecosystem by recycling nutrients and serving as food for other animals.